Who are we? We are Amazing Business Results, one of the largest Zoho premium partners in the world. Operating across North America, the Middle East, and Europe, we help businesses transform with the power of Zoho. Like our peers, we understand technology. But what truly sets us apart is our results. We are the most reviewed 5-star Zoho partner worldwide, recognized with multiple industry awards and trusted by thousands of businesses. Since April 2013, we've delivered over 2,000 successful projects, helping organizations of all sizes streamline, automate, and grow. Behind every project is our team of 30-plus global professionals, working across multiple time zones to ensure that every client receives the attention, speed, and expertise they deserve. What truly defines us? We don't just execute, we understand. Before a single line of code is written, we take the time to learn your business, your goals, and your challenges. Only then do we craft a plan and execute with precision. This approach is why our clients don't just get systems, they get results. Because at ABR, we don't deliver projects, we deliver success. Ready to work with the world's most reviewed globally operating Zoho partner? Stop just executing. Start achieving results. Amazing business results. Understanding business. Delivering results.